Okay, so if you make a mistake in your purling and you need to unknit it or unpurl it, you're going to take your left-hand needle, kind of pull on the stitch, look for that loop that you had worked through, and insert your needle, and then just slide off the loop that you had worked and pull out the tail. I like to move my yarn to the back so I can see a little better. So I always pull down on my work and I'm looking for that big loop that I worked into. So I just insert from front to back, so that keeps my stitches untwisted so that when I go to work them again, they are situated correctly on my needle. So the smaller the yarn, the harder this will be, but using all of your fingers to kind of pull on your work will make it easier to see exactly where your needle's going to go to get rid of that purl stitch. So that is how to unknit or unpurl your purl stitches. If you have any questions, leave them below, and thank you for watching.